'cause not enough for me to love you so.
This is third part of the special coverage of my Perfect 10 concert. I could not emphasize enough just how special the concert was for me. Kaya naman binuhos ko lahat for the show from the conceptualization stage pa lang. Fortunately, ganun din ang level of commitment and dedication ng buong creative and production team to come up with the best possible show that we can create.
Tama naman.
Dinaanan ni Sarah 10 years, kanyang career, to get to this.
Ayun po.
Yun yung perfect day. But along the way, when you really got the idea, sabi natin, if you show too much of what we did in the past, the audience might be seeing more of what they saw already. Sabi natin, sana we package it somehow na iba naman nakikita nila.
Si Boss Vic kasi gusto niya na maging multimedia star ako. Fulfilling, opo, definitely fulfilling. Syempre, without yung lahat yung struggles at saka yung failures, di ba? Minsan natatalo tayo, minsan nananalo, ganyan. That's how you discover yourself. You learn things about yourself. It defines who you are.
My idea is 10 years, 10 years and still happy. Parang perfect yung 10 years na yun, regardless of the ups and downs. Parang, ganun lang yan.
We have to concentrate on the prod numbers. Para makita mo yung performance lang niya.
You mentioned your comment.
Kasi parang itong sa akin, hindi pa dahil pa ba? Ay, ibang sa
Not too much focus on the other stuff like yung mga embellishments ng production, but really more on the way she will perform as an actress and as an artist.
Hindi, you can do anything you want. Hindi, kaya mas maganda 60%. Yung past naman, you have to remember, this is a celebration of your day.
There's still another creative meeting na how do you treat each song? Big ending, quiet ending, gusto bang baguhin, iksian, o habaan, or do we make it into a medley?
Ngayon, hindi naman kailangan andun yun sa crowd. Pwede naman, kung katulad ng nagdidinig ko nga forever's not enough. Kung kakantin ko talagang drastic. Hindi ba talaga? As in drastic. Drastic. Kasi kapag, or somewhere, hindi pa natin alam eh.
Gusto ko lang talagang mag-grow, mag-mature as an artist. Para kapag halimbawa man o hindi nag-work itong proyekto na ito, I will learn from it, 'di ba? Mas may inspire ako na as an artist, mas trabaho ko na kasi ito eh, 'di ba? Pag meron kang tamang ginagawa, mas may inspire ka pa na may mas tama ka pang gawin.
Sarap. It's always nice to be with her. Diba? Parang when you get to, in these meetings, you really get to see the real, come, what as is, where is, kumbaga, come as you are, no? And there's another meeting. Okay, what is the flow of the show, the script, where does she change costume, and then may technical, what has video support and what doesn't have video support.
Ang idea is para siya nagpo-float doon sa taas ng karaneta. So hologram siya, so the Sarah is here, bumalap siya. Meron kaming curver sa taas to go with that. Then tutok yun, boom, si Sarah is downstage already. So while everything is happening, nakaforma na si Sarah doon sa baba to present the first prod number, which is yung brand new.
We applied yung mga hologram and mga video mapping also like what you see here. Marami kaming ginawa na special effects like 3D motion graphics and 2D mapping. At saka yung intention talaga nun maging parang sobrang ganda nung production number na very virtual yung approach.
The videos were created by Direct Paul Basilio. Doon nag-excel talaga si Direct Paul. Yung pag sinabi mong visual effects, di ba? At talagang in demand si Direct Paul ngayon. Talagang hinahangai ko siya sa galing niya. Galing niya talaga as a director.
My one-on-one piano rehearsal with my Perfect Hands musical director Louis Ocampo and my vocal coach Miss Annie Quintos helped me a lot in getting a firm understanding of the entire repertoire, from lyrics and phrasing to emoting and storytelling. Mas lalo kong naintindihan that singing is more than just singing. It's really about telling stories and giving your own personal interpretation. That's the mark of being a true artist, which was what we were aiming for throughout the project.
Siyempre, natutuwa ako kay Boss Vic, sa buong Viva family ko, and they allow me to really be involved sa pagtakbo ng karera ko. Yun nga lang, pagpapasensyahan talaga ako. Ewan ko kung hanggang saan yung pasensya nila sa akin kasi talagang nandoon pa lang ako sa natututo pa lang ako at siyempre minsan, paano kaya kung hindi mag-work to? Ay, hindi, wag na lang yan. Yung ganon, wala pang diretso na, ito yung gusto ko. Wala pang ganon eh.
My point. Marinig niya lahat. Hindi lang natin nilalagay.
We are asking for extra rehearsals, just piano rehearsals with Louis Ocampo. Para nga lang mas set sa kanya. Hindi siya ninervyusin ng masyado.
Oh, not all artists ask for that, but si Sarah did. So, she always does. So, parang it's nice kasi na parang she can run through the whole show. Miski walang banda, miski ako lang. And she can pace herself. She'll know how to pace herself. Pero yung mga rehearsal namin yun, after one song, kwentuhan. One song, kwentuhan. One song, kwentuhan. Saya. Alam mo, patay ka kapag naalala mo yun sa show. Tatawa ka lang. Yung sa akin nagtatak, tingin ko creep. Iba na makita mo si Sarah kumakanta na I'm a creep, I'm a weirdo. Yung lyrics lang, it's not her usual tweetums, sweet, safe. It's a different side of her. Si Sarah is the type na I don't have to prove anything anymore. Wala, she's been there, done that.
She worked very closely with Louis Ocampo. So, masasabi mong, kumbaga parang siya nag-author nito. It's really her concert. We are trying to pace her right now kasi we want to make sure na hindi siya masyadong mahihirapan. It's right now nga nagsasabi siyang hirap ganon. Pero knowing Sarah kasi, she will still pass this with flying colors.
Everything's going very well, so we expect to have a nice run through on the next rehearsal, and that's it.
There were a lot of challenges kasi first and foremost, you're working with the best people in the industry. So you have the likes of Teacher Jorcel, Louis Ocampo, and the rest of the gang, especially doon sila Epoy and lahat ng mga nasa staging natin. So, para i-match mo yung mga schedule ng mga taong ito is quite hard to do kasi sobrang busy ng mga tao. So, that's one challenge. Second is, how do we make it different from the rest of the concert? So, gusto natin maging mas personal itong approach ng concert na to at saka mas ma-appreciate ng tao at ng fans kung ano yung Sarah as a performer.
You now just a dance, wave goodbye, and close its door. Night is so much darker, and is so much colder. World I see is so much bigger now that I'm alone.
Sa The Voice pa kaming magkasama, she was already asking kung pwede akong mag-guest sa concert niya. And I said yes. So it was pretty easy naman. Madali naman eh. There was Star for a Night, and that pretty much began everything. And she has been incredibly busy every single year that she has been in this industry. Wala yatang free time tong babaeng to.
She's the same sweet little girl na nakilala ko. Akala niya hindi siya sikat. Lagi ako sinasabihan ng I love you niyan, Miss Reg. Laging ganun siya sa akin. So malambing pa rin siya sa akin. And I wish I could see her more, talk to her more. Kasi namimiss ko rin siya eh.
Talagang pag sinabi nilang Sarah, brand na si Sarah Geronimo ng G-Force. Kumbaga, very exclusive sa kanya yung nagagawa niya para kay Sarah Geronimo. Yung technical rehearsal sa Araneta is very challenging but it went very smooth. Napolish namin lahat ng mga detalye, napolish lahat ng mga rehearsals, band, and all the guests were able to come in. Especially sila Ma'am Reg at si Ma'am Leia. Nakarating sila on time at saka nakapag-rehearse sila with Sarah. Very important yun sa show.
This is it! My first big show of Perfect 10 at the Big Dome. Halong-halong kaba, excitement, happiness, at fulfillment ang naramdaman ko before the show started. I've done 8 major concerts before, pero ibang level ang emotions ko for Perfect 10. It's unlike any show I've done kasi and it's very personal. A brand new me, ika nga ng opening song ko. So hindi ko alam how the fans would react to it. I just prayed na nagustuhan nila and of course I gave the performance my all.
Yung ultimate lang talaga ng kalaban talaga is yung kaba talaga, yung nervyos. At saka yung... So yun, ang number 1, maniwala ka sa sarili mo, na may galing ka, meron kang... Lahat tayo binigyan ng kanya-kanyang galing ng Diyos. So, importante talaga na i-appreciate mo naman yung sarili mo. At be who you really are.
Happy 10th year anniversary, Sarah! Congratulations! I love you! We love you, Sarah!
This is the very first time that I came home for a Philippine concert. I know a lot of pop stars all over the world have done the same. She is one of a kind. She is on top of her career.
Sa tayo, mami, ha?
Ang nag-hair sa akin si Jeffrey Aramin at ang makeup ko si Sir Juan Sarte. Parang big curls siya na hanggang dito kasi yung hair ko dun eh. So, simple lang. We decided na isang hairstyle lang ang gamitin para hindi na rin less work na rin sa amin, di ba? Less stress, di ba?
It's really about the people you get to meet, the people you get to work with, the songs you get to sing, the places you get to travel to. It's the experience of that of the career. That's it. And that's what makes this so worthwhile for any and all of us, I think.
Excited na kami. Kanina pa kami nag-aantay dito. Sabi ko, this is it. 10 years, after 10 years. Ayun.
Welcome everyone. This is Perfect 10, sa sponsor. And so marami tayong gagawin. Welcome everybody. So, daanan lang natin ng mabilis yung ating gagawin. Wala kaming sinet na major expectation eh. Siguro ang hinope lang namin doon is mapuno yung buong Araneta. Okay. See you guys, break a leg. Go.
We're about to start. God bless our show.
This is the brand new me. It's been a while, I'm not who I was before. You look surprised, your words don't burn me anymore. You needed to tell ya, but I guess it's clear to see. Don't be mad, it's just a brand new kind of me.
Intentional talaga na less yung mga dancing, no? Kasi nga, ako personally, hinanap ko talaga yung roots ko, kung saan ako nagsimula as yung pagkanta ko ng pop ballad, yung heartfelt na pagkanta, yun yung hinahanap ko. At mag-concentrate talaga sa singing. Gusto kong maranasan ulit na palakpakan dahil sa boses ko alone, dahil sa performance ko alone sa pagkanta. So talagang sabi namin mas simple this time at ako, yung stage, yung talento ko.
That ain't bad. I found a brand new time for me. Don't be mad. It's just a brand new kind of me.
Yung performance ni Sarah was all out. So I would say it's around 110%. No? So nilabas niya yung best niya dun sa effort. And sobrang natuwa kami kasi right from the backstage, nagdadasal kami. So, sabi namin, sana at least mag-enjoy lang lahat. And hindi naman na-pressure lahat ng mga tao during the actual show. Kasi we just wanted everybody to enjoy.
Star for a Night pa lang, nakita na namin lahat yon. Yung potential niya, at saka yung charisma niya. Yung sinasabi nilang X factor. And she has that. So, hindi lang siya magaling kumanta, hindi lang siya magaling magsayaw. Meron pa siya ng magic na yun.
Sa pag-ibig sa malimig na paligid lahat, mahaskara, puso'y nakasara. Ang nandali ang haliwan, kahit baliwan, pagpagsakay wakas, unti-unting tatakas.
She's just very charming. Ngumiti lang siya, lumiilaw na eh. It's something that's rare. It's kasi there's many talented people but very few stars. And there's something about her na when she smiles, nakukuha niya yung loob ng nakatingin sa kanya. And when she sings, it's her insides come out. And that's good. Kasi that means that she's in touch with her emotions, she's in touch with her heart.
Sa'yo ang pag-ibig ko, sa'yo ang puso, sa'yo para lagi ang pag-ibig ko, sa'yo sana ibigin mo.
Yung crowd was very appreciative. They were very game. At saka, ang babait ng mga pop stars, at saka very supportive. Andun sila lahat, pati yung mga fans na iba, tumutulong, at saka lahat ng mga performances ni Sarah, niraramdam nila.
What made Perfect 10 at the Araneta extra special were my guests. And I could not have asked for a better group of artists. Dream come true, ika nga. And not just one, but 2 dreams. First came the reunion ko with my co-champions and my very good friends na sina Rachel Ango, Christian Bautista, and Mark Bautista. And in such a fun and unexpected number. And then there was the production number with 2 of my greatest idols, Miss Regine Velasquez and Miss Lea Salonga. Tama ang sinabi ni Coach Lea before our number. It was truly once in a lifetime.
Isang araw, araw-araw, may nagpaparamdam sa akin ng ganito. When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You looked like an angel. Your skin makes me cry.
This is very different kasi it's very special. First and foremost, very involved si Sarah doon sa production. So, yung mga kanta talagang handpicked niya. So, yung kanyang mga performances, if you notice, are all very heartfelt. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung mga kanta, especially kung narinig natin yung mga Creep, for example, na kahit nakaupo lang siya, nararamdaman mo yung lyrics ng kanta, yung emotion na gusto niyang ipamahagi doon sa mga tao.
But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
It will make her a more effective actor and a more effective singer when you experience life. Kasi kung wala kang nararanasan sa buhay, paano mo malalaman kung paano mag-sing about heartbreak? How do you know how to sing about pain when you've not experienced it yourself?
To all my haters, I love you. Thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for loving me a different kind of way.
Oh, I got carried away. Pasensya naman kahit na gaano ka-strong, no? Minsan talagang maiiwan sa utak mo yung mga pag-criticize sa'yo ng ibang tao.
Take back the night.
Come on, use me up until there's nothing left.
Take back the night.
Let me spin this sweat till you can't catch my breath.
Take back the night. Ooh, don't know if the sun is rising there. Take back the night.
Excited kasi parang bumabalik yung mga Night of the Champions days. Pero ngayon mas mas okay na yung mga suot namin. Mas maganda na yung galaw ko ng konti after 10 years.
Bigayan kami kasi pag nagpe-perform, pero mas gusto ko yung sa labas ng trabaho, pag nagbabond lang kami, pagka nagkakausap kami, walang halong showbiz.
She's up all night to get sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night to get fun. We're up all night to get lucky.
Na sobrang nagpapasalamat kami kasi hindi kami nakakalimutan ni Sarah.
That is what you are. You're my golden star. If you make my wish come true, if you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure,
Ang surprise doon would be si Regine at saka si Leia. So, nagulat din yung mga tao kasi nag-perform sila ng napakagandang production number. I think credit goes to Sarah and si Sir Louie Ocampo for doing a very, very nice medley.
people who need people are the luckiest people in the world.
Masarap lang talaga. Masarap kasi na kumanta, na ang kasama mong kumakanta, talagang marunong kumanta. It's nice to sing with people who know what they're doing and who enjoy the music as much as you do and who really feel it. So, I'm just looking forward to having a good time.
Sa pagkanta, ang dami-dami pa niyang pwedeng i-experiment, ang dami-dami pa niyang pwedeng gawin na alam kong magiging magaling na magaling siya. And what's good about her is that she's a total performer. She can dance, she can do everything.
I realize the less I know, each step I take, each page I turn, I travel only means the more I have to go. What's wrong with wanting more? If you can fly, let's soar.
Talagang grateful ako kay Miss Leia, kay Miss Reg, na just the idea na mag-trio kami ay talaga namang, ay sarap talaga na paharap. Heaven talaga. Pero, tapos kasabay ng heaven, meron ding parang sobrang kaba din.
We'll find a way of forgetting
It wasn't a perfect 10, it was a 20. Why? Because she was able to do things that she wanted to do, regardless if they would like it or not. And that's a big, parang getting out of your shell, and she still succeeded.
Talagang sulit ang puyat, pagod at pawis na binuhos naming lahat para sa Perfect 10. The screams of delight and loud applause that first night were music to our ears. Lalo pa kaming natuwa when people told us that it was the best Sarah concert daw. Napapalakpak naman ang mga tenga namin dahil doon. And it made everything perfect. This is it for now. Thanks for watching. Much love, Sarah.